Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Weaviate Cloud for AI retrieval automation, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Weaviate Cloud, begin by navigating to the Weaviate Cloud interface. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, access your dashboard. Locate the API key section in your dashboard. Generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. Copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, open your preferred code editor or integrated development environment. Install the Weaviate client library if it's not already installed. Use the package manager for your programming language to install the library. In your code, import the necessary Weaviate client modules. Now, establish a connection to the Weaviate Cloud instance. Initialize the Weaviate client with the endpoint URL of your instance. Paste the API key into the authentication parameter. Ensure you are using the correct URL format to connect successfully. Once the client is initialized, check the connection status. If the connection is successful, you can now start sending queries. Test the authentication by running a simple query to retrieve existing data. Review the response to confirm that everything is working properly. Now that the authentication is set up, you can automate AI retrieval tasks. Proceed to implement additional features as needed in your application. Consider configuring error handling to manage any connection issues. Keep your API key secure to prevent unauthorized access. Remember to consult the Weaviate documentation for any specific use cases. With that, you are ready to leverage Weaviate Cloud for AI retrieval automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.